Excited na ang ilang kababayan para sa 4 na concerts ni Bruno Mars na magaganap sa Vancouver sa Oktubre. Kasama rito ang pamilya ng isang singer-songwriter mula na Nanaimo, BC.
My sister managed to get tickets from what I heard and like a few of her friends, and I just got off the phone with a friend of mine who also got Bruno Mars tickets as well. And
Matagal na raw na kinakanta ng marami ang mga Bruno Mars songs sa karaoke o tuwing naririnig nila ang mga ito sa radyo.
it's gonna be like a huge like music celebration, and I think that's what a lot of people are going to be excited for.
Marami rin daw lilipad papuntang Vancouver para lang sa concert.
William, you're going to Bruno. The maximum tickets you can get is 6 over 5. So my wife said, sama natin si Kuya Ryan because we don't have family here in North America, especially in Vancouver. So the closest is my wife's brother, which lives in Texas. So in-invite namin siya, and he was more than happy to join.
Ayon sa Destination Vancouver, higit $150 million ang naging estimated economic impact nung naganap ang malaking concert ni Taylor Swift sa syudad noong 2024. At inaasahan ng marami na magiging malaki rin ang economic impact ng mga Bruno Mars concerts sa syudad sa Oktubre.
There was an influx of people trying to get the ticket kasi supposed to be one day lang yung concert, and then naging 2, naging 3, naging 4, more than Taylor Swift's concert, which is just 2 days. So imagine BC Place, which is huge. I don't know how many people can fit in there, pero alam ko sobrang dami.
Bukod sa inaasahang milyong-milyon dolyar sa ekonomiya ng Vancouver na maaring maging epekto ng Bruno Mars concerts, inaasahan ng mga kababayan ang isang lugar para makakonekta sa isa't isa.
Especially him being Filipino as well, like it's so awesome and amazing to see somebody succeed in such a global level.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.